Hello everyone! Today we will taste
balot,
penoy
and chicharon.
from Philippines.
Since we're going to eat this, I create a chick in an eggshell. Don't forget to sanitize before you eat.
You can dip balot and penoy in salt or vinegar as Filipino ways.
But we prepared salt to taste. First, let's taste penoy.
First you crack it. And feel it like a regular boiled egg.
It doesn't smell like a boiled egg.
What it tastes like? It's yummy or no? You don't like it? Kuya Kurt. Try to pink some salt. It's like regular boiled egg.
Next is balut. First, you crack it on the top because they're soupy.
That's enough! That's enough!
Try to open it up. See, the soupy, I cannot see the soupy. Like this.
Maybe you crack it in the part that is hard. Wait. Try this one. What it tastes like? Soup. Like chicken soup. Oh. Okay. If there's no more soup, then you can fill it now. Actually, it's a duck broth. Chicken, yeah. Remember the red egg, the salty red egg? Yeah, it's the same thing. But that egg is salty. Don't look. Just drink it. It's like vitamins. No, scoop it. Don't eat the hard part. That's the hard part, Kuya. The white color. That's the hard part. Yeah. Remove the white color. Maybe you don't like it. You can eat it separate, you know. Yes. Now. Yeah, okay, now. Scoop it. Good job. Now put some salt to make more tastier. Now, Kuya, try it. The whole thing. It's like egg. What? It's like egg. It's yummy. Now try the hard part, the white color. Not the whole thing, just bite. Maybe you don't like it. Kylie, you can scoop it na. Show it to the camera.
Look at that.
You're not afraid?
I'm a little bit afraid. I don't like that flavor.
Oh, so you don't like it?
I don't like it.
Yeah, okay, it's fine. Just eat the yellow part, yeah. Eat it. Get some soap. You tastes good. The ducky, you don't like the ducky? Because Kuya Kurt's different. Yours is real different also. This looks wawa. No. Oh, do you think they removed the duck? So, it's good?
Now it's time for chicharon.
My favorite.
Good? It's good with rice also, no? Remember? We make it like ulam with the rice. And put some toyo, the soy sauce. Then it's good. Now, overall, which one you like? The chicharon?
I like the chicharon, and I like this one.
Penoy?
I'm afraid.
With the balot? You're afraid in the balot? It is duck.
I hope you like our video today. Don't forget to like,